We have all seen the trend of people using this guy. But does it do anything but annoy your skin? This is Estelle, and today I'm going to teach you what this is, how to use it, and who this technique can help. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. There's a special brush used in an Eastern medicine technique called dry brushing. It is usually horsehair, and for those of you who haven't touched a horse's tail, it is very coarse, all attached to a wooden handle. To use this technique, you brush in short strokes away from the heart like this, without any oil or lotion. You do these strokes until you see your skin turn red and develop some small bumps. This is called petechiae. Once you see that, it's time to move on. Dry brushing does a few things. It helps the lymph system and helps the fascia. In Eastern medicine, they use this tool to help rebalance your chi. If you have mild edema, this is a good technique for you. It is also super easy to do and doesn't require a lot of strength. You are not digging in with this technique. You can help the skin too. However, if your skin is already compromised, for example, crepe skin, this tool will hurt your skin. So please get clearance from your doctor if you have any skin conditions. As long as your skin isn't irritated, you can do this once a day. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.